everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send large audio files on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to send large audio files on WhatsApp, which typically have a size limit of 16 MB, you can either compress the file to fit within the limit or use an alternative method like sharing a link to a cloud storage service or something like that. You can simply tap open your WhatsApp, go to the profile you want to send your audio message to, and once you have done this, you can find this paperclip like option. Simply tap on it and tap on audio. Once you do this, you can find different kind of audios which you would like to send. So now either you can compress the audio file or simply share a link to a cloud storage service, or you can also send the file as a document. So if you're going to tap on the paperclip like option, go to the document section, simply tap on browse documents, and then go to audio and simply tap on any of the audio you want to send. Then you need to simply tap on the forward option, and after you have done this, you will be able to send large audio files as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.